So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to find your crypto address on your Coinbase. So basically, you just have to open your Coinbase application, and once you're in, just simply access your account by entering your credentials on it. And once you access your account, you will see this page. And as you can see, the magnifying glass icon located at the top right corner, you will just going to click on that, and you will going to utilize the search bar for you to able to find or search for the cryptocurrency that you wanted to find its wallet address or its crypto address. Like for example, in Ethereum. There you go. We're going to find or copy the crypto address of it. Once we click on the cryptocurrency we want to copy or find the address, we are going to click the receive button, and as you can see, a QR code will pop up on your screen as well as your cryptocurrency wallet address, which is your Ethereum wallet address. You just have to copy it and paste it on another exchanger for you to able to receive Ethereum cryptocurrency on your Coinbase.